All right, hey everyone. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to make a Google form, give it a proper title, and save it inside Google Drive. It's all really simple. So, yeah, let's get into it. So, first, open the Google Apps menu, that little grid of dots, and click on Forms. If you don't see it, no worries. You can just search for Google Forms in a new tab. Once Forms loads, choose the blank template. This opens a brand new form where you can start typing right away. Now you can add your questions. Just click the plus button on the right to create more and pick the question type, like multiple choice or short answer. It's pretty flexible. At the top left, click where it says Untitled Form and give your form a name. This also updates the file name in Drive, so yeah, super quick. And here's the nice part. Google saves everything automatically. As soon as you name the form, it's stored in your Drive. If you want to move it, just head to the folder icon near the title and pick where it should live. To check that it's there, just open Google Drive in another tab, open the folder you chose, and the form should be sitting right inside. And that's really all you need to create, title, and save a Google form in Drive. Nice and simple. If you want to customize things further, feel free to explore all the extra settings. Thanks for watching.